Hello, you are on the Workshop Insider channel, and today you're going to learn some genius duct tape tips and tricks that really work. For example, here's what you can do with the paper. Here's an easy way to tear off the tape. With a small washer, you no longer have to look for the duct tape. And here's an easy way to make your tape more compact. With this method, you can easily put the tape even in your pocket. Simple and elegant way to clean your clothes with double-sided tape. With tape, you can organize your work more conveniently. Know that with ordinary tape you can even tighten a knot. Scotch tape will also help you easily fill in the sealant. Double-sided tape can be a great helper and work as a handy reminder or note. Scotch tape can even help open a jar. Scotch tape can easily become a useful and convenient holder for small tools. Scotch tape can replace the cap. You can easily remove all the sawdust if you first place the tape on the cutter. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and state your like.